Hey everybody, so here is another nice one. This is Escovitch sauce. Okay, so I got one bell pepper, red and green. I have 3 onions sliced. I have just a handful of shredded carrots. I didn't shred the carrots myself. I just bought them shredded and threw that in there. There we go. And this kind is also based on, what you feel like. So I put in also some pimento, some allspice. Just use the name, something like that. I had a lot of onions. I didn't realize I ended up with so much onion and pepper, so I'm gonna probably make this a little bit more. That is 2 Scotch bonnet peppers that have been minced that I've thrown in there, and then I put it on a little bit more, maybe a teaspoon more of allspice. Now we're gonna do 2 cups of white vinegar, and I think I used Goya white vinegar because in the Caribbean we like Goya. And then I did 4 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. So all that's going to go in there, and I'm going to allow that to there goes salt. I'm going to allow that to dissipate, or all become one little liquid, and then we're going to pour it over these vegetables right here. Oh, this is a little bit of thyme. Normally I like to use fresh thyme, but I only had dry, so I threw some dry thyme in there. You ain't cooking in the Caribbean if you ain't got no cooking, if you ain't cooking with no onions. All right, then I poured the mixture over it and just kind of moved it around a little bit, just to kind of incorporate it. And then I realized that although you want your vegetables to be nice and crunchy, I needed to just cook them just a little bit to just remove a little bit of that crunch from it. Not too much crunch, but I wanted it to break down just a little bit. And so I cooked it for about maybe, I don't know, 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes on high. You can see all the vinegar and pimento and everything down there. And then that's how that looks, nice and vibrant. You put it in your jar or whatever, and you put it up, and you serve it almost like Haitian pickles, right over a nice piece of fried snapper. Here's a piece of fried snapper that I had made with some jerk chicken on the side and some cabbage and everything. So that's how that works. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.